What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing this Plymouth Cuda FC from 1972. This is a car culture team transport. I can't believe I found this, really. I'm really shocked I found this. I got it today at Walmart. So normally Walmarts don't, or at least my Walmarts don't ever really have a lot of team transports, but I've been looking for one of these Funnycars because they have an insanely cool feature. So watch the entire video so that you can see this if you don't already know about it. But this is part of the set that came with the Skyline, the Porsche, and then obviously the Plymouth. But I believe this was last year, right? The Skyline was what was it? Mountain Drift Skyline was 2022. So I'm so surprised that I saw this. Like, I've been wanting to get one of these Funnycars for the hidden feature that it has. And I know that they released this multiple times. They released the Snake and the other one in a 2-pack of premiums. And then they released them individually, yellow and red, in their team transports. And then they released this one again. So I'm glad I found this because I've been really wanting this. So let's get right into it. I know that this is a really great car just from looking at it from the outside the box. And if you didn't already see the video, go check it out right now of how we got this, because we did find a chase. I'm not gonna say what brand, but we did find a chase. So that's just a little teaser right there. And it was a die-cast run that we took to a bunch of Targets and Walmarts and a Dollar Tree. So here it is. Let's get it out of here. I'm so excited to check out that hidden feature. I made sure I had it. I made sure that it had the hidden feature before I bought it, because I didn't want to buy. That's the only reason why I bought it, really. But here it is. Let's take a look. Oh, I'm gonna cut that out because I just spoiled it. But let's just let's check out the truck first. All right, here's the truck. It has a really nice bed. The bed is plastic and it's embedded into the rest, so it's basically its own little piece that's embedded in there, which is high quality. I don't think it moves at all, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. Nice wheels on these. I really do like the wheels and the tires on this one. I do like this truck, this square body truck. Matches the theme well, and you guys know me, I like square body trucks a lot. But yeah, there's the truck. There's the metal chassis, Real Rider tires. I'll throw it on the turntable, and then we'll be back with the star of the show. Alright, we are back with the star of the show, and it does have the feature that I got it for, and I'm really glad it does, because I would have been disappointed if it didn't. But let's just, let's look at the wheels real quick, because those tires are amazing, and the wheels are amazing. Like, the back has that nice chubby back tires, and then the skinnier front tires. This really is a nice drag race car. I'll get a good close-up pictures at the end, like some really good close-up pictures at the end. Stay tuned for that, because I'm going to start editing some showcase pictures at the end. But yeah, here it is, and the special feature you've all been waiting for. Basically, the entire car opens up, and then it has this little thing in here where it just rests right there. And look at that. That is so cool. It's insane to see Hot Wheels do something like this. They don't normally do something like this, but I know the wheels on this thing looks like it's straight off of like a Johnny Lightning car or something. There's some really nice tires on that. But there it is on the ground. We'll throw it on the turntable first without the top open, and then or whatever, the whole body open, and then we'll put the body open. And then after it's off the turntable, we're going to cut to some photos. So make sure you check out those photos. It'll be some high, really high detailed photos, close-ups. Because I know here it's not as easy to see as it is in the photos. But yeah, go check that out. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna edit that in a second. Like, subscribe, do all that. Comment down below if you like this set. And yeah, keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.